In this video, let's look at built-in variables. So PineScript has quite a lot of variables and it pre-computes them for you so you can use them from the beginning without any computations available. So here I created like a small, like a tool that displays a table of all available built-in variables except for strategies variables. I will create another video for strategy built-in variables. So here I separated all built-in variables in sort of like a families, and I will go now quickly through all of them to explain you what are most useful and how you can use them. So let's start with basic variables. So here I put just a basic kind of data, initial data you get from your instrument. So here you have access to open, high, low, close. Also PineScript computes for you like average between high, low, average between high, low, close, and average between open, high, low, close. So it might be useful for you. Also you can access to volume, of course. And also you have a very useful built-in variable called bar index. So basically when PineScript starts to compute your indicator, it sets this bar index to 0, and after that it increases. So here you can see that PineScript now at 21,947 bars index. So this means that this is the quantity of bars PineScript used to compute your indicator. So here we're at the 5-minute chart, and for Bitcoin we have already millions of bars for 5-minute bars in the history, and of course PineScript cannot go through all of them. So this is why it limits amount of bars it uses in computations. So I think in general, if you have like premium account, you will have about something like 20,000 bars available to you. So it's really useful, like a variable that you can use quite a lot in your indicators. In the second column, you can see here we have some time-related built-in variables. So you can see you have second, minute, hour, day of the week, day of the month, week of the year, month, year, and time. These all built-in variables are related to open time of your current bar. In addition to that, you have close time of your bar, time trading day. This indicates open of your current session of your current products or the current bar. And also you have time now. Basically this corresponds to the current exact time. And as you can see, the last 4 variables, they're in a kind of weird format. This is a Unix time in milliseconds basically, and it's not so obvious how to work with it this way, but later in the course we will learn how you can use other functions to work with these times efficiently. Next, you can see a bunch of mathematical constants available in PineScript. So if you work on really fancy indicators, you need some of them, you can have them. So you can simply have like E or pi. They're already available, so you didn't need to copy it from somewhere and define. So next you can see a set of really useful bar state variables, and they're pretty powerful. Let's go through them one by one and I will explain you how they work. So first one, bar state is confirmed, is true only for the last price update for the bar. So for example, currently we are in the 5-minute time frame, and we get for live bar we get bunch of like multiple updates across the bar, and only for the last updates, kind of closing update for the bar, it will be true, otherwise it will be false. So bar state if first will be true only for the first bar in your bar set. So currently trading, you executed my code for more than 20,000 bars, and it will be true only for the first bar from these bars. So bar state is history basically is true for all bars except the live bar, real-time bar. So bar state is last is true for the last bar in your bar set. It can be a real-time bar, or it can be just the last bar and the market can be closed at the moment. So bar state is last confirmed. History bar, it's basically the last bar before the real-time bar. So for example, currently we're at live bar, and this variable will be true only from the previous bar. Bar state is new, basically is true for the live bar for the first price update you get for the current bar. And bar state is real time is true only for the last bar. We get live updates too. Next, let's check SymInfo's family of built-in variables, and here you can get basically quite a lot of information about your current symbol. And for example, here you can see I have Bitcoin USDT pair, so we can get like base currency, we get like USDT currency. We also have a description, mint tick, point value, like prefix, basically an exchange. Root of the of your symbol, what type of the session, ticker with exchange, time frame, and type of your instrument as well. So basically you can use these variables to adjust behavior of your indicator for different types of instruments, for example, and it can be quite useful as well. So here you can see we have a bunch of technical analysis kind of built-in variables, and basically some technical indicators that do not require any parameters. They already pre-build them as a built-in variables, and you can use it for like that without any problems. Here you can see you have a bunch of pretty useful technical indicators, so like true range, for example, value weighted average price, on balance volume, and so on. So I think it's quite useful. The last set of built-in variables are time frame variables, and here you might see a bunch of pretty useful variables as well. So you can check that current time frame is daily, ours is not at the moment. Is our time frame daily, weekly, or monthly? So basically more than daily, and it's also not true. Our time frame, is it intraday? Yes, we have 5-minute chart, it's intraday. We can check if it's minutes time frame. Yes, it's minutes time frame. Is it monthly? No. Is it seconds? No. Is it weekly? No as well. And also you have like here another two basically variables within variables, a time frame multiplier, time frame period. That looks similar at the moment, but it's not. If you will check different time frames, so let's go like 3 days time frame, you'll see the difference. So the time frame period actually displays your current time frame, but multiplier displays only like the number of your time frame. And you can just, let's go to seconds, for example, and you see the difference as well. So here you can see we have 15 seconds a period, but only 15 is a multiplier. So I'd advise you to get this tool. I will add the code for it below the video, and just apply it and just go through other instruments you're trading, and you will see how it works. You can check it for some stocks, and you'll see that it's a bit different, and it doesn't work the same way for everything. It's just you can go and explore these variables on different, like Forex. You can check Forex, for example, and you'll see that it's a bit different for everything, like in terms of SymInfo and so on. So I think you can just explore it, how it works for your symbols, for your time frames, and this way you can understand better how you can use these built-in indicators.